so it doesn't actually do anything that, no.
That's it.
Right.
Oh, that's a nice one, isn't it? Oh, is that it? Oh, is this a good one? I'm missing this one.
Chris likes milk.
Oh,
Watch these, Callum.
One of those, is it?
oh jeez, oh.
Maybe this one's a nice one.
I don't like this.
Look at that, can you see that?
You like that one? That one's fine.
That one's good. Well, Callum, you don't want the bunny. It smells so
Daddy drop.
Let's just say what it was.
They're not all done yet.
See if he takes the crate back. 20 bottles in, get 4.25. Been on to the next crate.
Maybe just do a few actually for them, eh? That do?
10 litres of milk.
Right, are you going to sing happy birthday to mummy first?
That's ready. Can I get the face? I like it.
No, it's okay, just leave them, darling, because mummy's going to do it later. I'll cut a wee bit for you and you can take it away, okay?
A bit more depth of field.
Don't know the worst to this.
No, I've seen you dying to do the worst before.
I'll actually.
Peppermint foot lotion. Just what I've always wanted.
Do you not know the story of the foot lotion?
No, but I've got it well, so we can avoid story there. I wish to know about it. Thank you.
I can't rub it in.
Me in Italy. Oh, that's fantastic.
Bloody
That's brilliant. Oh, I will experiment with this.
Right. Well, that's fine.
How are we all doing over here? All right?
Very well.
I see
Awfully
you're
well.
driving again.
Just coming for food.
Well, here we are, and this is such a splendid evening.
Good evening and welcome.
It's been such a surprise, you know.
Surprised you made it. Surprised you made it.
Well, yeah, that's it.
How would you like
Yes.
Carol, you're only 29.
Yes, I'm only 29.
29, we can't get one of the candles. So like, you're only 29.
baby as well.
Oh, who was that?
You've already mentioned that, Janice. This is Katrina.
I know it's Katrina.
Right, come on, blow these candles out before we set the place on fire. Oh, sorry. Right, come on. On you go.
You're going to sing?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carol. Happy birthday to you. Hey! Hey! Speech!
Playing a candle wax in that cake.
Okay. Can I just say that, everybody's trying to make me look really foolish here.
Who would you like to thank for making this evening possible?
Really, I'd like to just thank myself because I did all the
What's that? What's that? Yeah. What's
I'd
that?
like to thank
Is that a microphone?
Yeah, just a wee show.
Oh, right, okay.
I'd like to thank Marjorie.
You should like to thank
the sandwiches, although I'll probably fall out with Alan later on.
Have not already,
I'd
no?
like to also thank Elizabeth
Why is she
Allen
speaking
because he
into
did
a
bring these
candle?
tea cards. And Janice, my sister. Quick shot to Janice, who also brought some sandwiches, I think.
Right,
If
keep
I
going.
said it was you, please say it wasn't.
And your brother's all the way from Shropshire here.
Yes, and I brought a cold.
I'm
I brought a cold
absolutely
with me.
your husband. I'm absolutely delighted to see my brother because I love him so much. And his wife, of course, Yvonne. Ron! Ron actually managed to achieve absolutely nothing.
Oh, what? The best of
The Mr. Blobby cake, I'm afraid. Oh yes, the Mr. Blobby cake was excellent, and it is here behind me, but I've just blown it out, so you already know. And I've got a proper microphone, so this is absolutely fantastic.
Quick ham sandwich shot.
Oh, I'd like to
Extreme close-up.
I'd just like to say that I know this is really boring, but I'd really like everybody to just have a wonderful time and get up and dance and have one that works. It'll be just fantastic.
Give me a lick of
That's
Give me a lick of that chocolate ice cream.
Yeah.
This microphone, my friend, please.
And I agree with what my wife said.
I'm in love with you.
Go on, get the karaoke on.
Well, could I just get a shot of the hair in the back?
Do you want what to do? We've got
1
it.
hour's time.
We've got it. Do you want to do?
Cut!
We're running. We're rolling. And
Thursday, 18th December 1993. Carol. Saturday.
wait, wait, start again.
Take two.
Take two. Take two.
Hello, good evening. Saturday, 18th of December 1993. It's an important period in Carol's life. Carol, how does it feel to be nearly 30?
Can't describe the way I feel. It's like nothing familiar has ever happened before.
Sorry, that was Michael Jackson. Carol, we have a ham sandwich for you. Would that make life more important for you?
On behalf of all your guests, tonight, Carol, we'd like to give you this ham sandwich. Thanks very much, and I hope your next 30 years is as successful as your last 30. All the best, and lovely hairdo. Go like this.
A profound statement, Carol. How do you feel about this?
I'd just like to ask at this moment, why did everybody laugh when Jim said that?
It's
Could
lovely.
you get a close shot of the sandwich?
It's bitter and a nasty little rash. And by the time I'm sober, I've forgotten what I've had. And everybody tells me that it's good to be questions as she hangs onto the wall. I kiss her for the first time and then I take her home. I'll be buying her for coffee and I'll give her the bun. She likes to go to discos but she's never on her own. I said I'll see you later and I'll give her some more chat. But it's not like they on the TV, but it's cool for cats, it's cool for cats.
You don't have to post, just please be nice. And please feel free to do that big ironing in the corner.
You're tired of me. You're tired of me. You're tired of me.
Ollie, a wee bit.
That was out of order.
Keep that going.
You're a 30-year-old that is still.
Keep that wee step in there. Yeah, wee step in there.
Ryan, get up. Alright, Ryan. I need a kiss for your boy. Aye, but no, you don't play something. Hey, Ryan.
Come on.
I know, it's a wee smishy. You remember, she's a miss, isn't she?
No, what a mess have you looked at that?
I know, but aye, but see when I be young.
Here, I'm something else. I am actually in the planet Argon. I've been a functional person in the planet Argon for the last 10 years. I'm actually Argonite. That's the sign of Argonite. I only come down to Earth. You filming this, Ryan? You take the piss at me. I only come down here every now and again. Argon, we are there. We are the people. We're going for places. Go for gold. Argon, you've got to be there. Run, I'm pissed. I can't do this anymore. I'm drinking water here. I'm still drinking water. I'm no for the planet Argon, but I'm still here. I actually work for British Gas. I've met Ron Sheet from home. He used to stay across the road from me. He's an
Reverend, could you maybe spare a word for those less fortunate than yourself?
Sorry, change your
Thank God it's Christmas. Bad mood?
It's very Christmas.
Cheers.
James McSquares were back home. But they didn't have meat pies either.
Oh yes, I'm looking forward to eating this roll.
This is Carol in her glory.
Have a nice time. Bye. Most so fine. Thanks for your dream.
Does it say REC on the screen? I keep hearing it going beep beep as if you're switching it off.
Sorry,
REC. Cheers.
Cheers, Merry Christmas, Carol.
Merry Christmas, Carol.
Merry Christmas,
Yes,
Tita Mel.
Margaret and Norma, I don't have them.
I think it's actually mine or the workshop.
Sorry, your brother's not that way.
One of our favourite customers here. And there's the other one.
Hey, I've got your back.
Do you do a wee act or anything? No.
Alcohol we get me. No, and I don't want to. It's Christmas time. I think you should play some more.
Right, I
I don't
am.
know which class to drink. I don't think
I know, it's safe.
Cheers.
Cheers, girls.
Cheers. I keep waiting for the flash to go on. I mean, where's the overhead light? Yep.
A nice wee close up there of Mrs. Simonson's face. Side profile. Carol.
Can I help you?
Yes.
Do you know what you did to Mr. Bruce with your boobs the other day?
Yeah.
No, don't do that. I never did that. I never did it intentionally.
Where did you take Mr. Bruce to give him a big
Do
smack?
that again, Carol.
Yes. I know, I don't know what's wrong with it.
Right, James, can you kids on your Carol singing telling her for her birthday?
Oh, that's good.
Well, I can tell it's supply the garter. Did you have a nice night?
Wonderful, yes. It was very nice.
Absolutely.
Aww.
See, did you give him the money? What did £20?
Stop shouting.
Bye.
Oh, great. Hello. Hello.
Good afternoon, Carol.
Janice, you have to go.
Where about you go?
Place the camera. I want to show you too.
See you, have a nice Christmas, everyone.
You too. Bye.
I can't imagine.
No, that's... You're not like that.
Rubbish. It's not what you were saying earlier.
Gift for
What did you do with your throwback key? Is it still in your chest?
My original and my duplicate.
It's away from your chest, okay.
Right. Audrey, do you want this finished?
Carol can't act very natural.
Yes, I never noticed I was looking at Roger.
Oh, just your lucky dip it, Norma.
You pigs! Show it to the camera.
Bullet bath pearls. Let's see.
You're quite a handy head.
Who bought it for me? They're dead.
Right,
And she's going to shoot you.
That might be good.
Aww. That's
quite
lovely.
cute.
What's this got? Famous snakes. Look cute. Oh.
Oh,
no, another one. Oh no, it's never
It's a
been in
donkey,
the
it's
same
a-
shop.
I like
We're
it. I like
to get Audrey
it.
with her own camera. We're right to the middle one.
He looks like singing Telegram.
Oh, look at this tongue. Right, you need to hold it to your flash. Right.
Keeps you regular.
He's
Please try it. Let's see it on. It's a wee puzzle.
You'll never get it, will you?
Okay.
That's her lost.
Yes.
Video, right?
Well, by all means, read the card.
Well, you can, but I haven't got.
Oh, what's this? From Simon.
How'd you know?
Did you not disguise the writing?
Ronan.
Did you not read it on the side?
Point about drinking.
Some people never stop drinking, they just keep on filling their glass. Their face goes all smiley and wobbly and red. And then they collapse in their glass.
That just looks like me. That's very apt. Thank you very much, kids. Let's just have a look here.
Yes,
Serious.
that really is just me.
measure of vodka.